We take the bus from here. We take the bus from here. Have to. We have to take the bus from here. We have to take the bus from here. I clean my room. I clean my room. Have to. I have to clean my room. I have to clean my room. Mike practices soccer every day. Mike practices soccer every day. Have to. Mike has to practice soccer every day. Mike has to practice soccer every day. She does her homework. She does her homework. Must. She must do her homework. Josh studied English yesterday. Josh studied English yesterday. Have to. Josh had to study English yesterday. Josh had to study English yesterday. We speak English during the class. We speak English during the class. Must. We must speak English during the class. We must speak English during the class.